40 drivers, 3 months of anticipation.
On your toes, on your toes, on your toes, on your toes, they're full wide.
I don't like this right here. The 20's out of control.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Check up, check up, check up.
Done. Oh my God.
It was such a great race car, boys. I'm sorry. Thank you for all your hard work.
Still the behind us, they were a second slower than the pack in front of us.
Cars, get the out of the way! Tell the
Kurt Busch spins!
They're wrecking behind us, inside, caution. You should be the leader. Hold the brake, we're in it, guys. Low, low, low. Coming straight, just go straight.
Sorry, guys.
Man, I'm sorry.
I knew that was gonna happen. I know you did, Cole.
Just win! Did we just fucking win?
Hell of a job, buddy. Hell of a job. That's what I mean. You want it.
Let me know if you're okay, please. I'm okay. Devastated.
You are the man. Thank you. You are the man.
And he just did a slide to replicate what Dale did when he won it in the 320 years ago.
Man, it's all him. Didn't do nothing today. It's all him.
Sir, just set him up. You don't know what he's doing.
You just jam on the brakes in the corner.
Man, we about to lap Jimmy Johnson in Atlanta. That corner, inside.
Next time he does that, he's going to get wrecked.
That could have been big.
This guy doing? How's your Nickelback concert?
Oh, it still got it.
Didn't think they ever had it. Somebody get with Stenhouse a sponsor up there. Last couple of races, you hit everybody but the hot dog guy. So bad in traffic. Just don't know what the this car's gonna do each and every lap. Fine over here. I can hit the broad side of a barn over at 3 and 4.
Struggling, man. Thought he's gonna be good after yesterday. Things just out of control, dude.
Look at the damn brake. Alright, this is such a piss me off. Just start running over the phone. This guy's mirror driving. I go to the bottom, he goes to the bottom. He's a lap down. You know what the you do? Just calm down and drive it here, you'll be fine.
They're so busy back here, jacking me, I can't do anything.
It's ugly when they get out there. They're all racing. They don't give a crap about nobody else, but that's just the way it is.
I wish Kyle would have just wrecked it. Damn idiot. I'd have knocked that out of the way down here, slow as he was. Damn.
17's trying to get cute, throwing out a water bottle. Front, back, side to side. That's how we make the ride. Just made that up. It'll drop me quick.
We lost 2 tenths trying to sink down the front stretch, so let's not do that the rest of the day.
Alright, I'll just be an ass then. Whatever. Bet you'll be clear as day on radio, sweetheart.
We're just not helping, man. It's the same thing.
You're left there, 38, so get out of the way.
One outside 3. Just the 22 now. To their corner.
I'm gonna wreck the 22 if he drives like that much more.
I get off it, they're off.
Fix your radio. You're worthless to me right now.
Still sound like
Don't talk to me, Tyler. Just don't talk, because it's disturbing.
me. Can't go anywhere in traffic.
I'm jogging 3 and 4.
I just center, and then it's not been loose on exit.
Get 23 cars. Calm down, we can't this up now. Yeah, I'm done racing this. Did he hit you?
Hey, you hit me?
I mean, he's a idiot. No care. Every time I turn off into the corner, anywhere, any lane, the nose doesn't go anywhere. It stays straight. Yeah, get there, man. These cars are so bad in traffic.
What is this tight in the middle?
It's way in front of this guy where we're sitting. It takes an hour. It's progressively worse since the start of the race. It's exactly what we knew was going to happen. It's happening, but I'm up sensitive to it. It's horrible. I'm all up in here, so sorry to be looking like a moron. Just pissed off with myself.
What the trying to do?
I know you're driving your car fast.
Everything just smoked the off it right now. I got no grip. These guys are not getting the piss out of each other. Just be smart.
Is that Reed Sorensen?
Mr. Ross Chastain.
Oh, the watermelon guy. Somebody needs to whoop his ass.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would do to put my guys out there right at that time. Good job, team. Idiots. Jesus, that guy don't give you no 13, he's getting the out of the way. Honestly, should have wrecked 20 getting into 3 anyway. Get these guys out of the way. You knocked the out of the starter for the 17th. Yes, sir. 43, I'm done, man. You pulled me up. Get off the pot. Better go. Be that old man syndrome. Start far off. Just stay with me here. I know it's frustrating. I don't know. You guys are talking about staying with you. You guys stay with me. Yellow's out. I see 6 cars wrecked so far. Oh, my God. Almost 9. You got a bunch of ARCA drivers that don't know how to stop when they're wrecking. I'm glad you're ready. You hear that strategy call?
Oh, big hit by the 31.
You alright, bub? Just peachy.
Those guys are idiots. You're a bunch of morons. Bunch of dumbasses.
The frickin' 20 car, what was the deal? I'm tired of these guys with this. We gotta make it right out there.
What's gonna get right? Don't you worry. Idiots versus. I don't think much has gone according to plan except our performance. Wow. It's been nuts out here.
You always do that to us. Why?
She's done.
6.
Oh wow. How the hell did that happen? Squirrel City. Jeez. Every time I get to this son of a he takes a different way. Figure it out. Think I can left wheel. Gotta come to you. Suck! Hell was that, man? Damn idiots. Yeah.
Hope these idiots are gonna wear each other out. Just be careful of him. I don't know what his deal is.
Was that a 2-finger or a 1-finger salute? Huh. Interesting.
Just hit the wall. Look again.
17 only. The f***ing bumper to him, man. This adjustment's not as good as you thought. I'm really not liking any of the answers you're giving at this point.
That's good. Get 6-7 points. Start the day. Nothing. Done, real house. Up we are. Idiots in the way. Let's go. God. Man, I about had enough of this guy. I think 2 of us down here. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Stretching right here. 14's just now cleared to 22. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Barely focused, please. Keep them focused. I think we're close enough where you can be like da-da-da-da-da. You better be out doing a rain dance.
Damn it, everywhere.
Pulled up front of
They're
it.
idiots, that's what
Deal is. Bunch of dumbasses.
Beat him the out of my way.
The free
I love driving these pieces.
handful right now.
Get the out of the way.
Idiot.
We should have done a better job than we're all blocking him.
Yeah, it's not Earl's fault. I was trying to pass the 24. He's a way.
Trying to figure out why he's swerving at me and flipping me off. That's just normal, AJ.
What you got going on, man?
What do you think I got going on?
Back in line. Just you and the 12.
Over to them.
Oh, they make contact.
What the is he doing? And he can only run me up so high.
Up ahead, keep it low, 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 low.
Check up, check up, check up.
Oh, trouble.
Hard at the wall goes
Really
William Byron.
firing. Nose is in. Oh.
We got wrecked.
I got nailed. I didn't just get hit, I got nailed. Freaking 4 laps down, we wrecked him. Man,
You can't drive these things. There's no
arrow. Can't do anything with this act on your door.
10-4. Our leaders are racing hard here.
I really don't give a What a disaster. Holy This is a joke.
Hey, Brent.
Oh, yeah, now.
Did you hear this pays $1 million?
Ooh, that sounds like a party. I'll buy everybody tacos if we win $1 million.
Yeah. Driving in a bunch of idiots.
Listen, might have a hole in the left front. Jason, don't stop talking to me, damn it.
Oh, no. And into the wall.
No, 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 no. How much for that?
Kill.
Damn it. We're in it.
I just want to thank my teammate, Clint Boyer, for putting us in that position. Awesome.
Don't chop me. I won't have that.
Who got into us?
I think it was Ricky. Hit the 78, hit us.
Andy. Brilliant. Your ass ready to go there, Big Daddy?
Yes, sir. Come on, come on. Holy.
No contact. Be sure to thank the 11er for being such a great guy.
Just want to let y'all know I might be afraid of spiders. So Mama didn't raise no running 3 wide in the middle. Ready, we are pitting. What was that? Pitting! Vibration from somewhere. Just stupid tight. Vibrating like a There's a problem. That PHT is useless. Free grip for except us. Are you hearing that, KB?
Yeah, 10-4. This is channel 2 now.
Just stay right there. I don't know where we're getting that from. Hey, Tom, how's the tires doing?
Get off the damn radio, whoever you are. Tyler, is that your cousin?
Hey, mine. Whatever that is, need to get rid of it.
Hey, brother, shut the up.
If you could go to 2, go to 2. That's obviously fan calling out your name.
Slow car in the way.
Hey, I'm done. 2 weeks in a row. Never been bad in my life. Come on, Michael. Shit, I'll let him go. Go, kid. Go. Jeez. Get out of here. Stay off the hook.
I already talked to him. I don't think it's going to help.
I mean, I can pass those wankers. How many is there going to be? We got to think smart here. We're in a hole.
Keep blocking me. They're going to see something happen.
These kids are driving like such. I mean, come on, clown. I don't understand what the 17's so pissed off about.
I ain't worried about him. I'm not. Just because his granddad owns the company, thinks he owns the whole track.
My steering is so up getting in the corner, it's unbelievable.
Boys, single file is
Yeah, it's pretty much stalemate.
Could just be the flat splitters in traffic normal.
Oh, he was able to slide right up in front of Joey Logano. Joey Logano saying, no way, I'm not having it.
Go tell the 22 if he swipes my rear bumper again and tries to fence me, it's on. God. This is the fourth time I've run him down.
barking pretty good there. Just be ready if it catches on fire. We can only hope.
Like every other restart at this place. What the
What is wrong with these guys?
Get your damn clothes off and get to dancing. Why do you need no clothes to do that? I don't know. More fun when you're partying naked.
He's flipping me off. Getting ready to be flipping him off.
I'll try and get enough. 7, 11, 8.
With that, I have a power steering problem. About to hit the wall. You pretty happy in there?
Yeah?
You got some pits next time by. Pass through, do not stop. Do not speed, or then we have to stop and go.
Unbelievable. So hot and her.
It's hot down here too. The ice cream melts in like 4 laps.
Remember what I said earlier?
I try to block out most of the stuff you say.
So hot and her. Radioactive doesn't pick Hot in Here by Nelly.
Oh, I'm sure they're going to have you on there about arcs.
If I miss the white line, I'm
What looks like the end of the race is just a stage finish and 2 make contact.
That will lose you a championship. What the I mean, really? Really? That's a teammate right there, everybody. Never expected that from a teammate. Never expected it. Wow.
Tony's approach, get him the out of the way of his blocking.
I ain't never complained about brakes before these. Plowing. I am never recommending a adjustment again. These tires are worthless. They're worthless.
Wonderful. It's hard. Pass same cars all day, you know. Hard to pass. Not to mention hot, miserable. The repass all the yahoos, blocking.
Thank goodness I was going to throw a Snickers as you went by. You thinking about Cajun filet biscuit in the morning or? Oh, hell no. Tommy kid trying to take a food.
Now he's in your door. I don't know what his problem is. Inside.
What are you doing?
I don't know. That Ricky Stenhouse is a complete idiot. Just blocked the guy running second.
17, just right there.
He's gonna try to pull the slide job. He can't get there. They touch. Pushes in the wall.
Holy, they hit him in the wall. Put him in the wall. We're still going, right? 42's going to race unless 18 just gets to him.
Driving up to your bumper. Pushing.
Kyle Busch gets into the back of it. Both of them in the wall.
18 got to him. He hit him. He's spinning. He didn't spin. They're both in the wall.
Stay in the gas here, stay in the gas. Gotta get around them, get around them, get around them.
Get off the wall here. Grab it off the wall.
He tries to save it. Larson does, but it won't be enough. Kyle Busch racing back to the line.
Keep coming, keep coming. P3's way back. Checker flag, got him.
Wheel that thing, brother, wheel it!
Wow. What a show.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, that's fun. And I got him up too. He got me, fine.
Holy cow. That was big.
Incredible to watch.